So I'm sure you've noticed the name of this channel is Fixprotocol. I have not done any Fixprotocol videos in a little while. I did a couple within the last few months, but I just wanted to give you a heads up to some of the stuff that's coming up. I will be resuming building the Fix Engine project that I started some time ago, but obviously work is a priority, so I had to kind of put that aside because working on a lot of different projects right now. So I will be resuming that, but more immediately what I want to go over is repeating groups. I have not really covered a lot of more advanced concepts with you, and I wanted to start doing that. And one of the things I wanted to cover is repeating groups. I don't think I've even mentioned it at all. So we're going to talk about what that even means. The brief version of that is basically, if you are, let's say with trade reports, right? So you have trade reports and you have two counterparties. You can have two separate messages, one message that indicates one of the counterparties and another one that represents the other counterparty. So basically representing two different legs of a trade. Now, you can also send that same information in a single message, and the way you would do that is with a repeating group. So rather than having two different messages, you would send one message which has two groups of tags which are representing the two counterparties, right? And it's very, very simple. There's a tag that indicates how many groups are coming up, and then there's also tags that represent sort of the roles that each counterparty is playing in the report. So we'll get into a lot of that, and that's just the initial topic that I want to cover. But we'll also cover cryptocurrency as it relates to Fix, and also some more foreign exchange videos and things like that. So a lot more stuff coming up. Obviously, the Arduino stuff is definitely going to be something that I'm going to be covering as well. But stay tuned for that. Have an awesome weekend, and I will see you all soon. Shout out to the CPU squad, Naraz and Mega Noob and Rasso. Every single one of you guys. Love the support, and I will see you soon. Have a great weekend. I'm going to go see Black Panther. Are you? I'm really excited about seeing Black Panther. I haven't been this excited about seeing a movie in quite a while, but I'm definitely going to see it. I'm definitely excited about seeing it, and I guess I'll give you my feedback on what I feel about it. But the thing is, I've been so busy today doing testing with a client in Europe. The market just closed, so I can't continue, but I did not get to make my reservations. I was supposed to buy the tickets ahead of time because it's a big deal, this movie. It's selling out. People are waiting in line. I don't do lines, right? We don't do lines here on Fixprotocol. So I'm not sure what's going to happen. I'm going to go now and try to see if I can find some tickets and some decent seats. I'm not sitting in the second row or the third row. If not, then I'll try to plan for tomorrow. And this thing is telling me, stay alive. It's after 5. All right, guys. Click on the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and have an awesome weekend.